Hey everybody! Join me and John while we see if we are up to the challenge. Hey everybody, welcome to Stonehouse Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency, using what we have to do what we can right here where we are. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you if you would please just hit that subscribe button for us. Like the video. If you have seen our other videos and you've learned from the videos or you've appreciated what we've had to post, we really ask that you help us out there by hitting that like and that subscribe. Well, what is the challenge? John and I have been talking, and we are noticing, just like a lot of other people are noticing, that inflation, whether or not the government admits it, the inflation is here. Things are getting much more expensive. And yeah, it's something that is, I wouldn't say concerning us, but something we're definitely watching and keeping an eye on. Pair that with the fact that we've got a few things coming up that we wanted to be able to save up some money for, so we decided we are going to do a pantry challenge. So from today all the way through till Labor Day, we will eat only what we have in our pantry. Our pantry includes our freezers, our refrigerator, our canned goods, anything that I have in our pantry room, or anything that I get from like a friend's garden or somebody gives to me. We're trying to make this as if we can't go to the store at all. So we'll see how this goes, and we're going to take you along with us as we attempt this challenge, just to see how things go. So come on along with us as we see what we can do with this. Right now I have some eggplant roasting in the oven so that I can make some baba ganoush, and I have some garlic scapes I'm making into pesto. So I'm trying to use up all those things in the refrigerator right now that need to be used so that nothing is wasted during this challenge. So you might want to think about doing your own challenge too, because I know you too probably have noticed things are getting pretty expensive. So I hope this inspires you to try your own challenge, and let's see what we can do for today's meal. Okay everyone, so it's Sunday night, first night of our pantry challenge. And so what we have tonight for dinner, we had a big breakfast for free this morning, thanks to some gift cards. So neither of us are terribly hungry. So I have got some Kalamata olives, some smoked almonds, some grapes, and then in here I have got a mozzarella caprese. The tomatoes and the basil are straight from the garden, and then of course the mozzarella was in the pantry as well as the olive oil. So a nice little light dinner for us tonight, and we will be almost finished with day one of our no spend challenge, or our pantry challenge. So not too bad for the first night. It looks like a great meal. I'm going to go get John and we're going to have a little dinner. So thanks for joining us. I hope that you will walk with us through this challenge, and I hope that we can inspire you. Until next time, bye.